up, I'm a Nottingham lass and I am at Wollaton Hall in Nottingham. Wollaton Hall is an Elizabethan mansion and it was built between 1580 and 1588. As you can see, it's built on a natural hill. Come on, let's go and explore. I'm trying a new approach today for my vlogs, but my arm is getting rather achy. Architecturally, Wollaton Hall is fantastic. Just look at that symmetry, and it's just typical Elizabethan architecture. Also, just a little fun fact, this is Batman's house from the film Dark Knight Rises. Gosh, it's just such a walk up, I'm out of breath. Look at that, look. Woo! Trying to get warm, you see. Absolutely freezing today. Whew. Keep up, come on, you're falling behind here. Once a year, they have a massive music festival here called Splendour. Big names all come and play. I've been a few times, it gets packed, it's great. So basically, you can sit down with a pint of beer and watch some great music. Honestly, you have to go. It's certainly worth the walk. You get a great view from the top of Wollaton Hall. Wow, it's so cool. So come on, let's go and explore Wollaton Hall and see what it has to offer. Can you see above me? It's such a beautiful clock. Shop and city centre. If you get cold walking around, come into the Courtyard Cafe for a coffee and warm up. Ooh. For anyone that loves lakes, how beautiful is this? Look at all these nice little birds you can see. As you can probably hear, it's very, very noisy, but a great place for bird watching. Honestly, you've got to come down here. It's just beautiful. So, look at this little notice board here. It tells all the visitors about the ducks that are in this lake behind me. You've got your mallards, you've got your tufted duck, your gadwall, your pochard, and your shoveler. You've got your coot, your grey heron, the lovely great crested green. You've got your mute swans and your reed warblers. At night, you've got your bats. So, Wollaton Hall also has 2 herds of deer. They've got 90 red and 120 fallow. So let's go and see if we can find them. I'd love to see them today. OMG, we have finally reached the deer park. I can't wait to see them. I can see some over there, but we can't go near them. We mustn't scare them or worry them. And they are calving between March and May. And as it's March right now, we'll have to be a bit careful. Come on. Oh, I'm so excited. Boom. They're right behind me and they are sitting so still. I can't get close enough to get a good picture of them. I'm worried that I'll worry them if I go any closer, so just best not. So this is what they get given to eat. They look like turnips to me, I'm not really sure. Maybe some sort of winter fodder. Scrumptious. I can imagine in summer this would be a great place to sit and have a nice picnic. It's just absolutely freezing here. I need a hot chocolate. Hot chocolate? Come on then. Huggaball.com. Huggaball, huggaball, huggaball. Oh. Weirdo. And no trip would be complete without a trip into the visitor's shop. As you can see behind me, this is a taxidermy deer. Where's Norman Bates? Is he round here? I'm not really a fan of taxidermy. I think it's quite creepy, but it's a good way to see animals in close up. Really, really cool. And very, very educational. Look at this chap behind me. During the Second World War, Wollaton Hall was used as a base for Allied forces. It was also a prisoner of war camp. Yummy. aren't I? Come on guys, we're gonna go and explore Wollaton Hall. It's now open. Opens at 11. Woohoo! We are now in a fossil room and there's just so many fossils. More taxidermy. Where do I begin? Where do I start? There's so much to see. So much to do. This fossil here is 150 million years old. Wow, that is crazy. Mind-boggling. It's also from the Jurassic era and it was found in Dorset. Isn't this just beautiful? These paintings are just incredible. Wow. Amazing. There's so much to see in Wollaton Hall, and they also do tours around the place. You can even get on the roof. Oh, let's go in the shop. I love shops. Come on, guys. Shop. Hello. If there is no one else, I don't mind doing it. Spend some quality time. Right, so.
You're vlogging. There's all work going on. Yeah, we're hoping to get the thing in.
So finally, we are off to find the glass camellia house. Apparently it's around here somewhere. Ooh, exciting. We are now approaching the back of Wollaton Hall. Outside the back of Wollaton Hall. Hall. Oh, I found it. Come on. It already looks quite beautiful. There's so many places to sit and have a picnic in the summer. Yeah, boy. So here behind me we have the oldest cast iron glass house in Europe. Let's go in. This is called Camellia House and the camellias are in flower. Come on. Beautiful. This is such a cute flower shop, honestly. You have to go in here if you visit Wollaton Hall. Well cute. So here's a blast from the past. An old phone box. But in fact now, it's a place where you can get a defibrillator. Wow. I've really enjoyed my walk at Wollaton Hall this morning. It's been wonderful. Please go and check this place out. It's just a place not to miss. Honestly, go here. I'm gonna go home now because I'm absolutely freezing. I need a hot shower. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. What are you looking at? Come on, it's freezing. Let's go home.